Here I'm going to talk briefly on email marketing. I'll do a quick price cost comparison with GoDaddy and JoeUSA.com. You will find savings at JoeUSA.com out of the gate with your email marketing plans. They are the exact same plan, same 24/7, 365 phone and email support. JoeUSA.com is a reseller of GoDaddy, and we do our best to sell products for less. Now the email marketing plans, there's 3 here, just like you'll see at GoDaddy. The same format, the same features, you'll see all the same. They start at $7.99 per month for your beginner. You can have 500 contacts, send up to 5,000 emails. Middle of the road here, you've got $11.99 per month, up to 2,500 contacts, and send up to 25,000 emails per month. And then the Email Marketing Pro is up to 5,000 contacts. You can send up to 50,000 emails per month, and that is $23.99 per month. And if you need any more than that, we do have some packages we can work out for you. You would just simply call customer service, just like you would through the GoDaddy form. It's the exact same program. Let's take a look at GoDaddy briefly, just so I can show you how identical they are and the costs are slightly higher. Here you have the beginner package for $9.99 per month, and here you can see 500 subscribers, 5,000 emails per month. And the up and running, $14.99 per month, which is $3 more per month. I believe this is $2 more per month. And here you have 2,500 subscribers and 25,000 emails per month. And then the Pro, which is $29.99 per month, which is $6 more per month than JoeUSA.com for the exact same plan. Up to 5,000 subscribers, and you can send up to 50,000 emails per month. Okay? Now, email marketing has its benefits. Of course, it has its disadvantages as well, like spam. A lot of individuals would rather not receive so much email. I think, and I'm sure you would agree, that so many companies just really overdo it, especially the ones that are sending out 2 a day. We spend a lot of time of our day deleting email. After a while, your user is just going to unsubscribe if you're hitting them too hard. So be tactful and don't overdo it, especially if you have a small list of like 500 contacts. Even 2,500, be careful. And of course, we have some advantages. It's normally your email marketing list is permission based, so they signed up, they gave you permission to email them because they're either using your products or very interested in your products. You can have a flexible design. You can either send a text message or a full-blown image HTML email. It's shareable, very important. They can share your email with their friends. They can share it to social media. These programs integrate well with Facebook and Etsy and other programs as well. That's it. Most of the time, you will see conversions and an increase in sales, especially when you're going about your email list correctly. These are people who are interested in your products and they want to hear more from you. They just don't want to get bombed. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much.